Hello everyone, how are you doing? So in this particular session, we are going to learn how to install Apache Kafka on Raspberry Pi. So first and foremost, you have to check whether you have Java installed onto your Raspberry Pi. And how do you do that? Just open your terminal, go and type in Java hyphen version. That will show you the Java version that you have installed on your system. If you do not have to worry. You can just type in sudo apt install then default -jdk, and that's it. That command will install Java onto your system. But before that, you type in sudo apt update so that your all the configurations on the Raspberry Pi are updated properly so that you can carry out the installation. And then again, once the Java is installed, you just type in Java version in order to check whether the Java has been successfully installed. Now the second step is to download Apache Kafka. And how do you do that? It's simple. You just have to open the Chromium browser that you have on your Raspberry Pi, and then just type in or Google it saying download Apache Kafka. That's simple as that. Hit enter. The first link that you will get, click on it. You'll be redirected to the download page, and you click on the Scala 2.13. That's the latest version that I have. Now again, you click on this mirrored link with ending with tgz. Let it download. Once downloaded, you can close the Chromium browser and go to the downloads folder. Now you do not have to worry. You do not have to, if you do not have a GUI or if you have installed Raspberry Pi as a headless setup, then you can just access the downloads folder from the terminal itself. There you go. You will see the downloaded file there. Now what you have to do is, you do not really want to install it at the downloads folder, right? So you want to create a folder where you can install Kafka. So you can type in create directory or make directory. App and Kafka. So we'll create a directory there. Then what we will do is we'll move that tgz file to the app Kafka directory. And that's it. Once you change the directory to Kafka, list the items, you would see the file has been copied properly. Now what you will have to do is extract the file using tar -xvf and the file name. Hit enter. xvf. Cannot open file. Let me try that again. Nothing is extracted. We have to give sudo, and that's the problem. So there you go. If we list the items now, you would see the folder created with the extract of the Kafka configuration files. What you have to do is you chain the permissions on the folder so that you can execute if you want. Wow. You should not. Let me change the sequence maybe. chmod -r 777. It does not have to be 777. You can give 755. That should be fine as well. We have to use sudo, don't we? There you go. Now you go inside the folder, hit enter, list the items. If you go inside the first and foremost, we'll create this data directory here, because all the data, once we start the Kafka, will be stored in that particular folder. We'll change the permissions on that particular folder as well. Now we have to go into the config folder. You will see different type of configurations in Zookeeper properties, and then you would see another one is server properties as well. So go and edit that. Here if you see, the data directory is mentioned as temp, but what we want is the one that we have created. Alright, so let me copy that. Okay, edit again. Paste it, data, save. Now what we have to do is edit the server properties and do the same thing. What we will have to do is, again, we have to make sure that the log path is changed from the temporary directory to the data directory that we have created. Now we go to the bin directory. Here you will find all the startup scripts, all the shell scripts here. The most important one says nothing but you can run this Kafka topics.sh file to see if the Java version is compatible, your system is compatible, and if that particular shell file runs fine, that means it's more probable that Kafka will run fine on this particular machine. Alright, list the items, and you would find there are where is the Kafka? Okay, this is the Zookeeper service. In order to start the Zookeeper service, we are going to use that. And another one is for Kafka. Where is it? Kafka server start. Yeah. So these are the two shell scripts that you will need in order to start Kafka. Now we go back to the install directory, Zookeeper server start, and then we have to give the path to the configuration file that we just modified and hit enter. If you see, it has started binding to port that particular value. That means that Zookeeper has started fine. And what you do is you open another terminal, go to the same path where the Kafka is installed. It's not beta, it's app Kafka. List, going into the folder. Then this time we are going to start Kafka. So Kafka server start.sh, and then the configuration file server properties. Yeah, enter. There you go. So the Kafka has started up fine without any issues. It shows the version and the Kafka has started on the line. Now what we would do is excuse me, so open another terminal and go to the installed directory. Here we have had created this data folder, if you remember, and if you list the items, you would see all the data, all the configuration file that we had modified and provided this particular path. All the data related to Kafka would be stored in this particular folder now onwards. Now what we do is we can stop the Kafka that we have started. You see, the zookeeper has been stopped. It's very straightforward. I guess I should have stopped the Kafka first, and then should have stopped the zookeeper. But let's see. It has already lost connection to the zookeeper. It seems like, yes, because we stopped the zookeeper before Kafka. So the sequence should have been zoo Kafka. I'll try with the configuration if that helps. I don't think it does. And we'll kill the process. So what we will do is, I'm going to start a zookeeper. That way the Kafka will connect to the zookeeper. There you go, zookeeper started. Now you see it connected and then it has shut down. Stop the zookeeper service now. Alright, I killed the process. So it has been stopped. So that's it. That's how you can download, install, setup, and start up Kafka. If you like the video, and if you learned something from it, then of course give a like, and of course the subscription would be awesome. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Cheers, bye bye.